Yeah, the journey I have started in Clini Launch, like with more doubts and confusion, like is this the right place? Where is this the right institute? Because before taking admission, a lot of other institute they have also called me. They pressurized me. They gave me a lot of opportunities and discounts and many scholarship and it's their what to say, advertisement, you can say like that. Okay, so they try to get me in their institute, but I chosen Clean in Launch because I have done two courses related to medical background, that is medical scribing and medical transcription. So I thought like Clean Launch is most of the time it's related to medical background, right? It's
Yes.
AI which pursuing means which giving us opportunity in medical field. So that's why I
That's
chosen this.
great. Yeah.
And after choosing this institute, then when we have started classes one by one, it's going on, one finished then another one started. So beginning I thought like only one class is like this, only English has started, okay, English communication. So I thought only this much, or they will start. Then again I was so inquisitive, like I keep on calling Manish, what will be the next, how it will be scheduled, like I want to learn things fast as much as possible. So then it started one by one, and now I'm completely satisfied with the Clini Launch, the methodology and the way of their learning, and their help means cooperative nature. Each and every teacher is very supportive. They are very helpful. They clear our doubts means beyond their limit even. That is very good thing. That
Yes.
is, I'm satisfied. Whatever the query I have, they solve that. It's no doubt they are not making us in dark. They said, okay, we will discuss this, and they are very happy. Masood, classes are going on still, AIML.
Sure.
Then
Sure.
his way of teaching is very nice. Okay, the PPT, whatever it is written, he tells us beyond its means that. Okay, actually, it gives us more knowledge about practical knowledge, what has happened in his case and how he deals, like that, giving us experience. Then
Real life.
Pawan sir,
Yes.
yeah, then Pawan sir, he's also very good. Whenever I feel any difficulties, nervous, then I call him personally. I call him. He support me and he guided me like the way. Acha, this is the thing. And before giving this means interview, that Zebion. So I send him like I'm applying for this post. Am I eligible for this? Or I need more knowledge about AI, and then I go for. Well, no, you can go. Get a confidence. You know everything. You go blindly. You go. Okay, no worry. So everything is on. It was good, ma'am, and
Amazing. Great,
I'm
great,
very
great.
happy, ma'am.
Great, 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 Rupa. I'm really, really happy to hear your experience, and that you have really, and I'm sure that you have also put in your best foot forward, because it is also about you. We do our job for sure, but then how the students, are. How are they really? How much serious are you about your career? Also matters a lot here. So it shows your seriousness also towards the technical subjects, and also your own career, which is great. So what's like, you have got hired in Zubion. Now when is the joining date, and how things are going to move for you, and would you like to tell me something more about it?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Actually, Zebion is, I have got the opportunity as an entrance, okay, for 3 months. Okay, I don't know what will be
Okay.
happen in future, like after 3 months, what will be their decision. But I will try my level best. The company, the mentor is very good. I don't know about much about company. It's a startup company, so I can't tell
Okay.
you much about the company. But the mentors are very nice. Okay, whatever I learned in Clini Launch, now it is the one step ahead, ma'am. Okay,
Wow,
I'm learning over there.
that's
I'm
great.
learning deep learning, and then machine learning, the advanced level of machine learning, and
Understood.
in a
Understood.
practical way, how to make.
Wow.
And we are in R&D team, so they are guiding us like how a researcher and a developer, how should be their mentality, how should be their concept, how would be their behavior, means how they should think anyone, any subject or anything, how should they think. Okay, they should have always inquisitive, always have a question about why these sort of things. It's
Why is
very
important.
exciting, ma'am.
Great,
I'm
great,
very
great. Thank you so much, Rupa, for your time. And I'm really happy to talk to you. And I really wish you a great future ahead, in your
thank you,
career.
ma'am.
And in case if we can help you somewhere else also, you're into an internship. So in case if, in future, if you need any sort of help, we will surely be available for you, Rupa.
I'm really happy to meet you, who
Likewise.
has established this Cleany launch. Means, ma'am, frankly, I'm speaking, telling you one thing. Like, I have done other course and other institute also, but the commitment they say, that the commitment they do, they don't fulfill actually. Okay, the point of completing the task means once the course is over, they change their words. Okay, they will not stick to their words and commitment. But in Cleany launch, when they said yes, job guarantees our responsibility, we will guide you. Yes, they stick to it, and I'm very happy, and I want to be
That's
as
great.
long as I can be.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Rupa, for the wonderful, wonderful words. They really, really mean a lot to us. And I'm gonna, ask everybody in the team today to hear this, and then, they will definitely feel motivated on this one, and they'll continue to help the students the same way. Thank you so much,
Thank
Rupa,
you.
for the time.
Thank
Thank you.
you so
Yeah.
much, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye bye.